Hi, I'm Chris from Pyrodigital, and in this video I'm gonna talk about the booster technology within the FCA field controller. To enhance the network power of the new FCA field controller in comparison to the old FC3 field controller, we added an extra 350 watts power booster. In the older version, the FC3 field controller was simply doubling the battery voltage to drive the network. The driving capabilities of the old FC3 field controller are therefore highly dependent on the ambient temperature and the charge state of the batteries. The new power booster of the FCA field controller drastically increases the output power and ensures maximum network power under all conditions. With the new booster technology, the FCA significantly increases fire performance and network range, also for older firing modules like the FM3 and the FM4s. Thank you for watching. As always, you can find more information and videos on our website pyrodigital.com. See you next time. Bye!